Best count I got?
Not you.
So that means it could be up to 5 guys up there?
It's possible.
We should have fucking shotguns.
Bitch, I paid the price to rock this ice. Tell me what you niggas know about sacrifice. Tell me what you niggas know about sacrifice. Yeah, I pray every night cause I live one hell of a life. One hell of a life. 2 shells back to back. One hell of a night too. I pick up the chicken, then I'm right back on the flight. My dog still on lockdown and he just sent me a kite. One hell of a life. Yeah, grew up watching my big cousin and cooking up white. Instead of sweeping the whole neighborhood.